So I tried to make a video of my off-road experience, but it got corrupted for some reason. So I am here panting, and it's a great beach. Look at this. And this is my bike, but I will have to carry this first because it's very dangerous. I will ride the bike. Ooh. I drop the camera and myself. I know how to swim, but I would have to pay for the bike. Georgina did it on the mountain. Mother Mary. I guess I have to stop filming because it's very dangerous, alright?